eine Aluminium-Sandgießerei, produzieren mit
We are an aluminium casting company. We work with molten aluminium and sand to produce highly complex and in-demand components for customers from the fields of mechanical engineering, engine construction and machine vehicle technology. We produce specifically designed components which we deliver Europe-wide to our customers' assembly lines, partially ready for installation. The components are perfectly cast in sand and machined at high-performance CNC centres. The company supplies customers internationally with in-demand and high-quality elements. The company stands for reliability in delivery, dependability and quality. Components with unit weights of between 200 grams and 200 kilograms are regularly being produced, and up to 20,000 components are manufactured every year. The Dietermann company will accompany you throughout the entire journey of your component, from design assistance and prototype manufacturing through series productions to covering your spare parts needs. The medium-sized and family-managed company Dietermann is the industry's reliable partner with a wide portfolio of various shapes and produced quantities of non-ferrous sand casting. Our motto is non-ferrous sand casting, perfectly formed, reliable, from a single source.